Hi, Chris from Reliable Respiratory here. Today we're unboxing your ResMed AirSense 10 CPAP. So inside your shipped machine is going to be your mask, a welcome brochure, the delivery ticket of all the items you received, as well as relevant insurance and supply information. And you also have the CPAP itself. So to open this up, slide these two up and out. And here it is right in its travel bag. Inside the travel bag, you're going to find all the parts necessary to put it together. This Velcro piece comes up, and this will contain your tubing, humidifier, CPAP itself, power cords, and filters as well. On the top sleeve here, above, is where your CPAP user guide, quick start guide, as well as our Reliable Respiratory new patient brochure. This contains information about HIPAA, privacy, cleaning instructions, as well as some other useful information. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put this together for you. So first you'll flip that up and pull out all your components. Your heated tubing, the water chamber for the humidifier, the machine itself, and the power cords. So, power cord's about 12 feet long. You got about 6 feet on this, and another 6 feet on the power supply itself. These will go ahead and plug right into one another. Good firm push. This side goes to your wall outlet, and this side will correspond to the yellow right there. So once your CPAP is plugged in, you're going to see a screen right there. That is the home screen. Additionally, you'll notice that there is a green light on the power supply. That's indicating that it's getting power. The next thing we're going to do is attach the humidifier chamber, which goes right here on the side. Now, the nice thing about this is it can't fit the wrong way. There's a lot of wrong ways, but only one correct way. That will just slide right in, and to remove it, you squeeze and pull. Filling this up is very simple. Little lip right there. You take your fingertips, you sort of scoop and lift. Now, on the front, you have a designated max line. So we recommend distilled water for this. It's a much cleaner water, there's no mineral content, and you'll just fill it up right to that max line or less. Snap it shut, and you're in business. Last thing we're going to do is attach the tubing. Now what heated tubing helps with is condensation. So sometimes you can get condensation as a result of the humidifier. To attach the tube, there is a small chip that corresponds to that slit. That's actually what powers the heated tubing. Now don't worry, this is waterproof, so if you get it wet, no big deal. That just snaps right in. And this is supposed to swivel, so if you toss and turn, the tube will come along for the ride. To remove it, you just squeeze and pull. And that's how you assemble your ResMed AirSense 10. For more information, please visit reliablerespiratory.com/PAP-help.